Hey guys, in this video we have to replace the Thunderbolt 1003 because it's right now getting replaced because the batteries are dead and we have to replace it to a 130. So we have to take out the blower and put in the control box for the, but yeah. So, Alright, so we have to do it and other stuff. So we're now taking down the Thunderbolt. Actually, I want it realistic. So grab my chain. Okay, and there you go. So actually it looks like it's coming down. If I had a longer I did have a long chain, but so Thunderbolt, so if this was, so this is a graveyard. So yeah. Actually, hold on. Okay. We got that there. So we're actually going to put in the Thunderbolt with the, with the blower, like how it's, yeah. So it's like that. And then now you just need to put in the box on like this. And this is a 130, so control boxes. Put this on here. There you go, everybody. So there you go. I don't know. I might do how to build, actually. Realistically, just put the blower by itself. So the blower's like that over there. So put that to the side. So now we have to put in the SRN, well, 130 actual on. It's not SRN. We will put the flat piece back on, and it does rotate now. So I put like the rotator on there. So they're not ready to do it now. I have to get our camera up. Alright. Whoa, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright. There you go. 130's on there. And now I just need to take that off. And then we need to put this flat piece back on. Alright. So it does rotate now. I don't know how, because I wasn't even looking on the camera, but I will until to look at the footage. But yeah, there you go. So they now have to wire everything to the building. What do you expect? Oh man. Oh. Alright, just don't worry about if it's down. I'm going to have my chain on this right here. Have the chain on there, and the piece right there. Oh, dang. So, oh, dang. So, boom, like that. And put that like that. Dang it. So it's like the wires are going into the building and other stuff. Alright. Put this back. So now I need to put the 130 how it was before. And boom. There you go. Didn't even know if that was going to be that close, but it's fine. It's going to be right there. I'm sure some people are going to think it's going to be like up here somewhere, but no. There you go. Yeah, it's the 130. It's getting replaced. I mean, I'm sure some people are like, the siren was on there yesterday. They were trying to test it last night. It did not work now. Because the batteries blew up and the siren was getting on fire, but not the blower or the siren, just the pole was going to start on fire. Well, the building was going to get started on fire, but they rebuilt it really quickly. You're wondering how it wasn't that hard. Yeah. But yeah, let's do it. Actually, hold on. So, yeah. So, yeah. Don't know why I'm saying, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, so we're going to get ready to rotate. Let's do another test, but a little different. That was no rotation. Alright, everybody. Am I zoomed in or anything? Nope. Yeah, so there you go and stuff. So so this one is going to be with no rotator. I'm going to turn on my beacon for this one. So you guys know I'm going to do audio because I really don't. Yeah. So let's do the audio. So this is from Train to Sirens 1, the growl, like I did that one, and there's the other one. It was not from Train to Sirens 1, so yeah. With no rotator. Maybe. Low, short rotator, so. There you go. No rotator anymore. We already did the rotation. Alright everybody, so we're going to hear Transcendence 1 videos. So, there you go. But see you in the next video. But yeah, see ya.